In this video, we are going to talk about top 5 best budget drones of 2022. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. The finest drones for beginners will be reasonably budget-friendly, or equipped with collision sensors, because flying a drone is never risk-free. Even the greatest pilots have accidents. Many drones come with built-in safety measures such as distance limiters, return-to-home capabilities and propeller guards that will help you should you find yourself in a tricky situation. Once you know the controls of your drone and feel more confident flying, you may start to experiment with more exciting photos, but to begin with it's a good idea to use tutorials or pre-programmed modes. Whether you're buying in a drone for aerial photography or videography, or even drone racing, some of the greatest drones you can buy don't cost as much as you think. If you're hunting the best drones for kids, then a low-cost drone is also a terrific option. That said, you might want to pay a little extra to invest in a drone with collision sensors to assist prevent any unfortunate mishaps. Here are top 5 best budget drones of 2022. So let's start. Number 5. Holystone HS-100. This amazing drone for beginners not only introduces the pleasure of flying, but also the fundamental feature set of a serious photography or videography drone at a price that is a fraction of what it would cost to buy one of those. This is due to the fact that it comes with a global positioning system, GPS, and the program that controls it is of high caliber. A phone will clip into the radio controller and serve as a screen. The combination of these factors results in higher-end features such as Follow Me. The drone will follow the location of the phone, as well as an ease of flight that makes the drone simple to operate. If the controls are released, the drone will continue to hover at the same height, even when there is wind. It also has the ability to go back to its starting location at the push of a button. It is quite obvious that the design was influenced by DJI's Phantom, even down to the 4-light intelligent battery. Having said that, the battery has a micro USB connector built right in so that it can be easily charged. DJI has not yet thought of that. The camera is not gimbal stabilized, which means that the vibrations of the drone are certainly more than visible in the adequate but gloomy video. Additionally, because it sends back its signal via Wi-Fi, it has a tendency to drop out after approximately 100 meters. However, clean video is recorded to the micro SD card on the drone regardless. Extra landing legs, prop guards, and a sleek pilot's instruction notebook are included in the package, which are all nice extras. Number 4. DJI Mini SE. At just $299/$269/AU $459, the DJI Mini SE is DJI's lowest affordable drone to date, making it the ideal option for those just getting started with flying drones. It is now available for purchase in the United States of America, Canada, Australia, the United Kingdom, and Europe, but we anticipate that it will become available in a not-too-distant future everywhere else. Despite the fact that the DJI Mini SE is missing a number of capabilities that are included on the DJI Mini 2, such as raw images, 4K filming, and a maximum range of 6.2 miles, it is priced significantly lower than the DJI Mini 2. You can still capture pretty good pictures, but the files will be saved as JPGs instead of the original format. The automated quickshots provide several striking orbiting or other dramatic swooping shots while keeping your subject in frame. This is beneficial for consumers who do not feel confident learning to fly and shoot video at the same time. Instead of packing any additional scanners, the DJI Mini SE makes use of its intelligence to do this from the main camera. This probably helps even this beginner model pull off 30 minutes of flight time. As with all drone official times, expect about 20% less. Number 3. Ryze Taiyo. DJI has maintained their technology at the cutting edge of the market while controlling more than half of the worldwide market. However, a collaborative effort with the nearby company Ryze resulted in the development of the Taiyo, a portable drone that is not lacking in technological capabilities. It can send a 720p video stream back to a phone within Wi-Fi range, 100 meters, or it can send 5-megapixel images that were recorded by the app. This data link will also give you an alert when the battery is getting low, and the drone's 14-core processor and built-in sensors allow it to take off and hover in place by itself. This power enables fun features such as the throw and amp, go launching and flips, but it also supports Scratch, a simple programming language that is based on blocks. This means that literally anyone, including children, can have fun ordering the Taiyo about. Number 2. DJI Mavic Mini. The Mavic Mini weighs less than 250 grams, making it far lighter than the typical smartphone. This places it in the lowest and safest weight class of drones, making it exceptionally portable. Additionally, this places it in the lowest weight class of drones, which means that it may be exempt from certain regulations in many countries. The weight of the aircraft when it is ready to take off includes the batteries, propellers, and a microSD card. The newly released DJI Fly app has a user interface that is straightforward and uncomplicated, making it possible to produce cinematic pictures with only a few taps on the screen. It even comes with a flight tutorial, which is a function that will assist you in getting started with the Mavic Mini in a rapid and secure manner. DJI is the industry pioneer in civilian drones, aerial imaging technology, and creative camera technology. They lead the world in these three areas. Learn more in this section of our DJI brand store located on Amazon. The mission of the company is to make aerial photography and filmmaking equipment and platforms more readily available and user-friendly for filmmakers and photographers all around the world. Customers in over 100 nations use its products on a daily basis for a wide variety of purposes, including but not limited to filmmaking, building, inspection, emergency response, agriculture, conservation, and more. Gray DJI Mavic Mini Drone Flycam Quadcopter UAV with 2x7K camera, 3-axis gimbal, GPS, and a flight time of 30 minutes while weighing less than 0.55 pounds. Temperature range for charging, 5 to 40 degrees Celsius, 41 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The Mavic Mini, a camera drone that is both compact and powerful, is the ideal partner for creative people because it allows you to capture moments in a way that effortlessly elevates the mundane. Mavic Mini weighs less than 0.55 pounds and has a total mass of 250 grams, making it almost as light as the typical smartphone. You do not need to register your camera drone with the authorities in order to fly it in either the United States or Canada if you have one of those countries. Mavic Mini is capable of taking aerial images and films in 2.7K HD resolution. A motorized 3-axis gimbal offers improved camera stability and makes it possible to capture footage that is both clear and ultra-smooth. Because of its lower weight, the Mavic Mini can remain airborne for far longer compared to other consumer flycams currently available. With a battery that has been fully charged, you can take off and fly for up to 30 minutes. The DJI Fly app requires iOS version 10.0 or above and Android version 6.0 or higher. Number 1. DJI Mini 2. For various reasons, the DJI Mini 2 is a fantastic starter drone. It weighs under 250 g, so you only need to register it if you intend to use it commercially. It also has advanced GPS safety features like return to home and restricted fly zones, so you won't accidentally fly into an airfield. Quick shots, which make it simple to share photographs, distance limiters, and automatic landing, are all essential features. It now has a range of 10 kilometers, 6.2 miles, in Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) zones, and can be flown in winds up to 24 miles per hour without going out of range. While videographers will like the 4K recording and 3-axis stabilization, photographers will appreciate the RAW mode, manual exposure, exposure bracketing, and other capabilities found on a regular camera. If you're considering the Mini 2 as your first drone but already have experience with cameras, this is the best option. It's also useful indoors, thanks to downward-facing sight and sonar distance detection technologies that can help it hover without GPS, as well as optional propeller protectors, detachable cages to prevent any accidents while flying near obstacles. If you don't want to wait until you reach home, the app makes it simple to save the photographs to your phone. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.